Namlolwe Odwadu 97.3 FM.
Alright, mambo vipi mpenzi mtazamaji? Natumai uko mzima. Na mimi nitakuwa mtangazaji wako Otieno Bruno. Leo hii nimekuletea mgeni ambao umekuwa ukimtarajia sana. Yani behind the microphone. Umekuwa ukimsikiza lakini sura yake ni kama hujai muona. Basi leo hii nimemleta hapa bila kupoteza muda. Wacha nimpatie nafasi ili aweze kujitambulisha na atuambie hali yake iko vipi.
My name is Dorothy Akoth Olweny, but people know me as Dorothy Olweny. Yes. Apart from being a journalist,
yes,
Dorothy is a marathon racer. Yes.
What do you mean?
Huh?
What do you mean?
I'm an athlete.
Unaweza kimbia?
My achievements. I think that was in 2010. I ran the World AIDS Day. That is every 1st of December every year. I've participated in Matahat Run. I've participated in KCB Marathon. And apart from that, I'm a trained first aider.
A trained first aider.
A trained first aider from the Kenya Red Cross Society.
Kwa hivyo wewe si mtangazaji tu.
Those are my achievements. I do them part time when I'm not in the station. And I'm also a volunteer at the Red Cross, Kenya Red Cross Society, Kisumu branch. So whenever I'm not on duty, I go and volunteer. I do first aid. Yeah. Kwa safari yangu kuwa Radio Namlolwe ilianza mwaka wa 2007, 2007. Yeah. I think I started working at Radio Namlolwe in 2007. It was in September 5th.
Have you ever thought to be a journalist? Ama wewe ulikuwa ukigrow pale ukasema tu mimi lazima siku moja nikuwe mtangazaji?
When I was growing up, nilitamani sana hii kazi ya utangazaji. But nilitamani sana kutangaza kwa televisheni, si kwa radio, but I ended up in radio.
How is the journey?
Unajua kwa maisha hakuna mteremko, kuna kupanda na kushuka, kuna changamoto. Yeah. Safari yangu kuwa katika hii media industry imekuwa na changamoto. Haikuwa rahisi vile, but I had to forge ahead. Yes.
How was it?
It was not easy. First of all, I joined a journalism school when I was already a parent. So it was not easy. Jungling between college, kuchunga watoto, yeah, it was not easy. But now I think it is just by the grace of God.
By the grace of God.
It is by the grace of God. Yeah. Sometimes it was difficult and I was like, do I give up? But I said no. As Dorothy, I said I will never give up until I get until I achieve what I want. Yeah.
Before joining Radio Namlolwe, kuna mahali ulikuwa ushawaifanya kazi pale ama hapa Radio Namlolwe ndo mara yako ya kwanza kuingia hapa na hapo ndo ukaanza kufanyia kazi?
Nilianzia Royal Media Services. I did my attachment in 2005. Then I volunteered for another 1 year. Then in 2007, I had some of my friends whom we worked with in Kisumu. Then when Radio Namlolwe was launched, they thought of me and they called me to come. That was the later Lilian Otieno and Jai later. And Toby Jakomenya or Simon Ahenda. Maybe some people do think, yeah. Simon Ahenda. Jina yake ya utani anaitwa Toby Jakomenya. Yeah, so they were great friends. So when Namlolwe was launched in Kisumu, I was in Nairobi by then. Then they called me. I came. Then I was given some interviews. Then I did. And that is how I ended up in Radio Namlolwe. Then I was assigned. I was given program. I did program. I did evening show. I did the afternoon drive. Before then, I did a program called Shalom that is on Sundays. That begins from 5 a.m. to 9. Then after that, in 2010, there were some changes. I was tried and tested. My boss asked me if I could join the news team. Then I was like, can I really make it? Then I said, no. Just as I said before, passion drives me. I told them, yes, I will. Then I was given a try. I was given some scripts. I was not given. I was told, can you go and prepare the 4 p.m. bulletin?
Yes.
And I was like, wow. As you know, that news is not just like a program. It involves a lot. And I was like, okay. I went to the newsroom. I did what I could. Then I went to the studio at 4 p.m. After that, I did, by then we were doing the 15 minutes bulletin. I did, though it was challenging being the first time in newsroom and the first time broadcasting news.
Yes.
It was not easy. Then I was nervous, I was tensed, but all in all, the outcome was not so bad. Then the programs manager told me, but you can do it.
Yes.
You can do it. From today, you will be in the newsroom. And I was like, oh. Thank you. I thank God for everything, because one person who jungles, I don't just rely on in one place. I do, if I'm told to do this, I do that. Yeah. Hapo kwa newsroom kuna kujikakamua, kuna kutranslate, you edit, sound editing, and you write a script. You know, in news you can't just go to the studio and then you start talking. No, you have to check your facts. You have to read. So in news you have to read. You have to be well versed with the places and the names of people and their titles. Yeah. So when it gets to the time, the bulletin, you prepare yourself, you sort your news, you start with the, you know, the news, with news, it has the order. Yeah. We have to start with the national news, then we go to the locals news, that is the county news, and we have the international. So you have to make them, you have to put them in the category. Mimi nimeng'ang'ana kati ya wanaume kufanya news juu hata hapa Namlolwe. Yes. All of them are gentlemen. I'm the only lady in their midst. So nang'ang'ana, nasema okay, lazima wakikanyaga hapa na mimi nakanyaga hapa, tunapambana hivi. Yes. Some people tend to think that when you are broadcasting in a Luo radio station or in a vernacular radio station, ni ya wale wenye hawajasoma ama wale hawajahitimu ama wale wenye hawajaenda shule, because you just speak in your native language. So wanaichukulia ni kama dhana, but I want to tell them that in journalism school hakuna atufundishwi kwa lugha. So when you come back to the vernacular radio station, I think it is just an added advantage. If you know your language, then it is an added advantage. Sasa nafasi zikipatikana, unaweza itwa pale, kama unaweza ongea Kijaluo. Unajua kuna watu wengi wamehitimu, na when it comes to sasa kuongea the language, wanashindwa. They have all what it takes, but sasa the language barrier inafanya asiajiriwe, kwa sababu sasa hajui lugha.
Kuna mtu anasema kwamba lazima mtu akushike mkono uingie kwa media industry. How do you take this?
Si lazima mtu akushike mkono. Kitu yenye itakutoa nje, how you conduct yourself, how you present yourself, how you do your work. Pengine sasa kama wewe tuseme kwa mfano, umekuja Radio Namlolwe kufanya attachment. Sasa tunaona venye Bruno anajikakamua. So hiyo pia inaweza kukupatia nafasi. Yes, because if it comes to translation or script writing, you know how to do it. You know how to voice. You know how to read fluent Kijaluo. Then there's no problem. Si lazima mtu akushike mkono. Pale yes, unaweza ingia. Watu wengine wanasema ati lazima ukue na godfather mahali. Networking. But I don't think so.
Maybe if you can give us how you do it pale sasa live on that camera.
Justin Kijaluo kidogo.
Yeah.
Amosi ni misawa Nyakwaramogi en saa 7 mar odiechieng' machiegni weche manyien adimba motelo magithuond weche. Ker William Ruto odiechieng' ma kawuono otimo limbe mare e piny Noiro mar South Korea, kama bende odhi mbeko matut gi jatend piny Noiro migosi Yoon Yole. Od weche